Hello friends, welcome back to your Happy Dappy Fun Learning Educational channel. So today we will write the capital letters. A red color, we will write it with red color. It's a letter A. We will trace it inside this letter. Is the capital letter A. Next is B. We will draw a straight line and then next we will make its two bellies B, and the next is C. We draw from here, comes down slowly and upward C. Next is the D. Draw a straight line and then its belly D. Next is E. We make a straight line and next is three legs E. Next is F. F. Next is G. G. H. H. I. J. Next is the K. Next we will write K after L. Next is M. N. O. P. Q. We will make a circle and still R. S. T. U. V. Next is the W. X. The next is the Y. And the last one is Z. Sing these letters again with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks guys. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.